Welcome to Turboard. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a showcase, a powerful feature that allows you to organize and present your dashboards in a structured and visually appealing way. Go to the Showcases section under the navigation bar and click the Create New Showcase Plus icon. An overlay window will appear where you can give your showcase a proper name in the designated field. Optionally, you can add a description to the showcase and also add tags in the relevant fields. Tags are useful for organizing and searching for content. By labeling your showcases with specific keywords or terms, you can quickly find them grouped together in their listing main page. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Create button. A new window will open, allowing you to start adding dashboards to your new showcase. Click the Add Dashboard or Menu button to begin. You have two options. The Add Menu option allows you to create a drop-down menu and list or group several dashboards under it. The Add Dashboard opens an overlay window, listing all the dashboards shared with you. Let's prepare our showcase using this option. Click the Add Dashboard icon and select the dashboard you want to add to the showcase, then click the Add button. You can change the name of the dashboard for display in the Showcase menu, assign an icon to it, and even hide it from specific users or groups. If you wish to add several dashboards to your showcase, click the Add a New Showcase item icon located at the right top corner and repeat the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully created a showcase in Turboard. You can organize your dashboards in a way that best suits your presentation and analysis needs.